Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Amara, a mom of 3 based in Doha, Qatar. So today I'll be making fish stew. Come along with me, let's make this stew together. So my loves, how do you like your stew? Do you like it spicy? Especially when making it with fresh fish. So let's slice our tomatoes as I will be blending it. I will be adding in fresh pepper. I'm here to bring it out from the freezer. I like to buy fresh pepper in bulk and then I'll store in the freezer so that whenever I need them, I'll just go pick one and blend. You know, this is abroad. So we tend to manage whatever we have. After slicing this and blending it, I will have to cook the tomato so it dries out the water before I'll start making my stew. This tomato is huge because I like to cook and store. I like to cook in a very large quantity, then I'll store them in the freezer. So this is the pepper that I'll be adding to this tomato. I'll be blending it together with the tomatoes. I just brought it out from the freezer. So while that is cooking, let's go ahead and cut our fresh fish. So guys, I like to take out the head, the fish head, because of the kids. You want tissue? See tissue on the shoe rack. Have you seen it? So guys, let's go ahead and give it a good wash. First, I need to take out the unnecessary things that is not required. Some salt. I like to use salt to wash my protein. Be it chicken, meat, fish, I like to use salt. So I'll go ahead and give it a good wash. I will season with onion, salt, rosemary. Okay, I'll go in with thyme, seasoning cubes. Go in with water. So yeah, this is moi moi I made 2 days ago. Whew. Our tomato is still boiling. Our fish is done, guys. So guys, this is our fish, nicely cooked. So guys, our tomato is ready. As you can see, the water has dried up already. So lovelies, let's clean the crayfish. This is my crayfish. I'm going to be cleaning it, okay? So after doing this, I'll still go ahead and pick them, take out the unnecessary dirt that is not required. Like this, like something like this is not good. Cannot be cooking with this. You see, I'm still going to wash this because I don't trust this crayfish. It still has some sand. So I'm still going to wash it. I'm going to be blending it. I use this blender in blending onion, so I'll go in with the crayfish. So guys, let's start cooking. So let's pour in this one. So we are going to leave this one to cook for 5 minutes before we can go ahead to add other things like fish and the fish stock. So I'll be making pasta. So now I'll go in with the crayfish we blended earlier. Let's go in with the fish stock. I'm trying to avoid the bottom entering inside. Okay, good. So guys, it's time to put in our fish. So at this point you have to gently stir so that this fish will not scatter. Gently stir a little. Then I'm going to cover it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will bring it down. So while that is cooking, let's use the opportunity to clean our space. See, we have so many dishes here to wash, so let's go ahead and wash them. So guys, our fish stew is ready here. Are you gonna be trying this recipe out? This tasted so yum. It's ready. I have to off my burner, if not it's gonna splash everywhere. So this is our stew and our pasta is ready also. We're gonna take out the water. So guys, that is all for today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.